Finally, can I tell you something that has been bothering me for a while? There's a myth running loose in this country, and it's keeping good, hardworking families like yours unprotected. The myth says life insurance is all about death, that it just sits there waiting for the worst day of your life to finally do something. So, because of that belief, people put it off. I'll get to it later. I'm too young to worry about that now. I'll deal with it next year. But what if I told you your life insurance could actually work for you while you are still living? What if your term policy, the simplest, most affordable policy out there, could later become permanent protection without you having to prove your health all over again? And what if all of that could cost less than what you are already spending on streaming services and takeouts? Today, folks, we are talking about term life insurance. We are going to walk you through some of the most misunderstood benefits of this type of policy. We're going to show you why it's still one of the smartest tools in your financial toolbox, among several. How the conversion options protect your future insurability. We're going to show you what living benefits are as far as term insurance go, and why they matter more than you actually think. And also how term insurance can serve as a bridge to long-term financial security. Stay with me, because one thing you hear today could save your family thousands of dollars or protect their entire financial future. Let me start by sharing a story with you. I want you to picture two friends. We'll call them David and Jonathan. Both of them 35 years of age, both married, raising kids, both carrying a mortgage, probably also doing their student loans, still paying it off. Same season of life, same responsibilities in many regards. Now, David goes ahead and gets a 30-year term life policy. Jonathan says, I'll get to it later. 5 years go by. David is still covered, still protected, premium locked in. Jonathan finally sits down to apply at 40 plus. But now there's a health condition standing between him and the coverage he would want. His premiums are there because he's older. Sadly, some options aren't just on the table for Jonathan anymore. Now, here's the lesson, and I want you to hold on to this lesson. You don't buy life insurance because you are about to die. You don't buy life insurance when you need it. You buy it while you are healthy enough to qualify for the best rates available to you. And you know when that is? Today. You see, insurance is one of the few things in life that's easiest to get when you don't think you need it. So, what is exactly term life insurance? Our subject for today. It is protection for a specific window of time. It could be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or even 30 years. Some even go more. Now, if something happens to you during that window, your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. That's it. Simple. No complicated investments here. No confusing math. So just think of it like leasing protection for a season of your life. The season when your responsibilities are highest. Young kids, a mortgage, debt you are working to pay down, because it is essentially built for protection. Term insurance, therefore, gives you the most coverage for the lowest starting premium. That's why it remains one of the popular ways families use in this country to protect themselves. Now, what are some of the benefits? Benefit number one, affordable protection. You see, for a young family, affordability isn't a luxury, it's the whole ball game. Here's what surprises people though. A healthy individual can often secure hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes over $1 million, in coverage for a remarkably modest monthly cost. That kind of coverage can protect your mortgage, your children's education, your family's income, your debts, pay them off, even final expenses were anything to happen, without putting a strain on your monthly budget. Let me pause here and quickly share an encounter I had with a colleague yesterday, just yesterday, a colleague in a leads group I belong in. And he was telling me that he took out one term policy like this for just a number of years, for the simple reason that his parents are aged and in their 90s and they depend on him. So if anything were to happen to him, he took out something in the region of 500 or so, if I can remember, 500,000 or thereabout, so that if anything were to happen to him, his parents could be taken care of while he was gone and while they're still alive. That's wisdom. That's what a term policy can help you do. He's a much older person, so he's paying slightly more. But imagine if you're a younger person and you take it out for that season of your life that you need it. So benefit number two, income replacement. Now listen closely, because this one really matters. You see, your greatest asset may not be your house. It may not be your retirement account or your investment portfolio. For most working families, their greatest asset is their ability to go to work and earn an income. In other words, life itself. Let's say you make $75,000 a year. Over the next 20 years, that's about 1.5 million in future earnings, walking around in your shoes every single day. If that income suddenly, unexpectedly disappears, the fallout can be very devastating. Term insurance exists to replace a portion of that lost income, so your family can keep their footing during one of the hardest seasons they'll ever face. Now, benefit number three, living benefits. You've heard me talk about living benefits so many times. Protection while you are still here. This is a future most people have never heard of or associated with a term policy. But the truth is that many modern term policies today include a living benefit. This simply means that if you are diagnosed with a qualifying condition, terminal illness, critical illness, chronic illness, depending on your policy, you may be able to access a portion of your death benefit while you are still alive to take care of that situation. Now, sit with that for a second. Yes, you can do that with a term life. Now, imagine you get a serious diagnosis. The medical bills begin to stack up. Your income takes a hit because you are not able to work, at least the way you used to. Treatment costs keep climbing. The whole household feels the weight of it. A living benefit rider in circumstances like this can give you access to a portion of your policy's death benefit. to help carry that load. The devastating medical expenses, modifications to your home if need be, transportation to treatment, and everyday living costs arising from your health situation. Now, take note, every policy is different, and every carrier structures these benefits differently. That's why it's worth sitting down and actually reviewing what your policy offers, which, by the way, is exactly what we are here to help you do. But here's the takeaway I want you to walk away with today. A good term policy isn't just for protection for your family after you are gone. Done right, it can be support for you and your family while you are still fighting. Let's look at benefit number 4. This is a feature that doesn't get nearly enough attention, and it is called convertibility. Convertibility. You see, a convertible term policy allows you to take all or part of your term coverage and convert it into permanent life insurance. And here's the part that really matters. Many of these conversions happen without proving your insurability all over again. No new medical exam, no new round of health questions. Think about what that means. Let's say you buy your term policy at 35, like David did in our story. By the time you are 45 or 50, life has changed. Maybe you've built up some assets. Maybe you want lifelong coverage instead of coverage that expires, the temporary one. Maybe you want to leave something behind for your family or your grandchildren because you are saying that you most likely will outlive your term policy. Or maybe, and this happens more than people realize, your health isn't what it used to be. A convertible policy lets you move into a permanent coverage based on the terms already written into your contract, regardless of what your health looks like at that moment. That is a powerful advantage, and most people don't even know it exists in their own policy. So the question is, when can you convert? And this is one question I get a lot of the time. When can I actually convert? Well, it depends entirely on your policy. Some let you convert anytime during the term. Others have a conversion window, maybe up to age 65, maybe only within the first 10 or 15 years. Some even allow partial conversions over time. This is why when you are shopping for a policy, the premium can't be the only question you ask. Many folks just ask that question, how much is it? No, you also want to know if it's a term policy, is it convertible? Until what age? Are there restrictions? What permanent products can I convert into if I choose to go that route? Those questions might not matter to you today, but years down the road, they could matter a great deal. So now let's come to the big question. Who should really be considering term insurance? Who is a term life insurance policy best suited for? You see, mostly it is young families, not teenagers, not people just starting out in life who have no responsibilities. Young families, new homeowners, parents with children still at home, business owners, anyone carrying significant debt, and really anyone who wants strong coverage without a heavy price tag. For most families, term insurance is the foundation that you start off with, and then you build everything else thereon. Now, let me leave you with this, folks. Life insurance was never really about death, contrary to the myth out there. It's about the people who keep living after you are gone. And wait for this, it's also about you while you are alive. It's about your spouse having options instead of obstacles. It's about your children still being able to chase their dreams. It's about keeping an emotional crisis from turning into a financial catastrophe on top of everything else. And let me reiterate, even some term insurance policies is for you when you are alive through the provision of living benefits. So when you choose a term policy with those clauses and with also strong conversion rights and meaningful benefits, you are not just buying insurance, you're building flexibility, you're protecting future opportunities, you're putting a safety net under the people you love the most. So here's my challenge to you this week. Take a few minutes and actually look at what you have, if you have anything. We'll come to that. But ask yourself if you do have something. Do I have enough coverage? Does my policy include living benefits? My term policy? Is my term policy convertible? If something happened to me, would my family really be okay? You see, because the best insurance plan was never the one you bought after you needed it. It's the one you put in place before life surprises you. And now I come to the other segment of the equation. If you don't have any policy at all, I'm not talking about a group plan through your job, because that goes the day you leave the job. I'm talking about a policy that belongs to you. This is the week to consider getting one. Click the link below and book a free 30-minute conversation with us. Let us look at what you have, if you already have one. And if you don't have, let us see the options, the best options available to you. So, if this video brought you something of value, like it, subscribe it, and pass it along to others you think would need to hear about it. And remember, protecting your family is not an expense. It is one of the most important acts of love and responsibility you will ever carry out. As always, I am Wachuku, Vidal Wachuku of Cashed Up for Immigrants, your one-stop shop on everything, all the nuggets on navigating the American financial landscape. Until next time, God bless and keep building a secure financial future. See you on the next one.